Bennett real quick. So I want to show y'all an update and some results from one of my clients, right? So you can see the kind of results that the Credit Bull is getting for my clients, our clients, and then also if anybody out there who's looking for credit repair, they're looking for a fast service, they're looking for a legitimate service with good customer service and real results, then we'll be able to help you out. So I want to show you guys a little behind the scenes insight, right? And then if anybody out there who's building a credit repair business and you want to get more results for your clients, maybe even do it hands-free and have a team help you out, well, pay attention to this as well, because my team is the only reason that I'm able to get these results for my clients, right? Obviously, I understand the dispute method, but I mastered the dispute method. I share it with my team, and then we go on and we talk about exactly which method is going to work best for each client individually, right? So let me just show you a little bit of some results for this client. So this client got started with us. Let me see if I can go up here without showing y'all the date. Let me see. So basically these are 2 months apart though, all right? So these are 2 months apart. When they got started with us, they had a 598 on TransUnion. 2 months in, they have a 648 with TransUnion, right? They also had a 575 with Experian. Now they have a 600 with Experian. They also had a 551 with Equifax. Now they have a 603 with Equifax. So they're in the sixes all across the board, right? And they weren't in the sixes before. So from unfavorable to fair, right? We're going to get this one right here up too. No problem. Experian is typically always the slowest to respond to disputes. But nonetheless, let me show you some stuff. So when we go look at the summary, the derogatory summary, or the summary of the person's credit report, as you can see, when it comes to derogatory accounts, she had 10 when we first started, and 9 collections on TransUnion. Now she has 3 and 2, right? So basically she's almost done with TransUnion. Experian, she also she had 9 derogatories and 6 collections. She's down to 5 and 2, almost done with Experian. Equifax, right? We had 11 derogatories and 9 collections. Now we're down to 3 and 1 collection, guys. 1 collection, right? And then when it comes to inquiries over here, you can see she started with 19, she's down to 12. 14, they slow, but we gonna get them, right? And that's why it's important for a lot of people to learn how to fix their credit themselves, because at the end of the day, you could get those inquiries off really fast with my inquiry removal guy, right? This person, obviously, they must not have the time, so they hired us to do it. So we can't call on their behalf, so we got to go through the slow dispute method when it comes to that. But nonetheless, as you can see, we're going to take care of her. So, and the same thing with TransUnion. She had 25, she's down to 23 now, right? So her scores have all gone up. Negative items have been falling off of each of the 3 bureaus, right? She's super happy because she's seeing progress and she's closer to her credit goals. So, once again, guys, my name is Mikkel Bennett. If you guys need any help with any of the things that I covered in this video, getting results for your clients, getting results for yourself, getting inquiries off, getting derogatories off, getting collections off, whatever it may be, feel free to reach out to me. Shoot me a DM, shoot me a message. I love to chop it up with you and see how we can help you, right? But just know, if you need a done-for-you credit repair service from my company, it's $1,000. We'll get the job done for you, as you can see that we're doing for this client right here. So once again, Mikkel Bennett signing out.